Good morning, BYB6 Orange. How are you? Um, I would like to thank you very much because you are doing your best. And I would like to thank you for your great effort following the lessons and doing the exercises. And we need to continue this way and please don't give up. Okay. So let's start our lesson today. Today we have a new lesson. Um, it's about suffixes. It's about suffixes. Okay. When you go to the Google Classroom, you will find this task and you will find many videos. You can watch these videos. Uh, Video number 1 and video number 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 videos for you. And when you finish watching these videos, and of course finish watching my video in Facebook, you will find the quiz or the task to do. Okay, so let's start talking about our lesson today. uh, we are talking about suffixes. We are talking about suffixes. Okay, so suffixes are, what are suffixes? Let's read the definition together here. Suffixes. A suffix is a letter or a group of letters added to the end of a word. Okay, so now we are talking about some words or a group of some letters or a group of letters we add to the end of a word. For example, here we have examples here. Sleep. When we add the suffix of ing, sleeping, so ing here is a suffix, sleeping, kind of a suffix to change the form of the verb. Wanted, we add ed as a suffix to the verb to make it in the past. Okay, thinks, we add the s to the present simple form with singular, and we add slowly, we add ly to the adjective to make an adverb, slowly. So these are kinds of suffixes, most of them. Okay, of course we talked before about the prefix. You remember un and re. We studied un and we studied re. They come at the beginning of a word. Unhappy. Okay, rewrite, reread. We studied some prefixes before, but today we are talking about suffix. Okay, so suffix is a group of letters. Okay, we add at the end of a word to give us a new word. Okay, so today we are talking about two suffixes. We are talking about full, F-U-L. Okay, when we use this suffix to add at the end of a word, it gives us the meaning of full, full of, full or full of. Okay. Also, we have another suffix here, less, L-E-S-S. It means without. Okay, without. Topless, fearless. Okay, we have many examples. Let's go to these examples and view them. Okay, now we have here the first exercise. Let's talk about it together using the suffix full, and it means full of, full of. Let's see our examples. Here we have the word and we have the suffix, and we add them together to give us a new word, a new word. Let's see, care. When we add full to this word, we have careful. What does it mean, careful? Careful means full of care or has a lot of care. When you are careful, so you give more care for your studying, for your homework, for your family. You give more care, so you are very careful. So now we have a new word, careful. It's an adjective. It's an adjective. Careful. Let's see help. When we add full to help, it gives us helpful. Helpful. So it means full of help. Full of help. This book is helpful. Our teacher is helpful. Your parents are helpful. Okay? Peaceful. Peaceful. Peace. Okay? Peaceful. Full of peace. Full of peace. This place is very peaceful. No noise. Okay? No fighting. No problems. Full of peace. Harm. Harm, it means something that has danger. Okay, so harm, when we add full to this word, it becomes harmful. Harmful. And what does it mean? It means full of harm or dangerous. Okay, so when something is harmful, it is dangerous. It is dangerous. When something is dangerous, so it's harmful. So dangerous is an adjective and harmful is an adjective. They are the same meaning. Okay? Hopeful. Hopeful. When you hope to do something, so you are hopeful. You have a lot of hopes. You are full of hope. Okay? Power. Powerful. Full of power. This teacher, this person, this boy is powerful. Okay. Taste. Tasteful. Taste. When you taste something, you eat to taste. So tasteful. This cake is tasteful. It has good taste. It has a good taste. Full of good taste. It's delicious. Tasteful. Use, useful. So full of uses or has many uses. This computer is very useful. Okay, Facebook is useful. So we use Facebook to study now. We use Google to study now. So Google and Facebook are useful tools for teachers and students. Fear, when you fear something, when you are scared, fearful. So fearful now it means full of fears. Okay, fearful. Or causing fears. Okay, causing fears. Successful. Successful, when you succeed doing many things, so you are successful. You have a lot of achievements. Okay, you always do your work well. So you are a successful student. Okay, so you are a successful person. Okay, truth. When you say the truth, you don't lie. You always say true things. So truthful, it means full of truth or always telling the truth. Pain, when you have something that hurts you, maybe your hand hurts you, okay, your stomach hurts you, so you have a pain, okay, and this is painful. This is painful, full of pain or hurting too much. So you are, sometimes you are crying because you have a painful stomach ache. Okay, so now we worked on the first suffix, full, and how we add it to the words, and we explored the meaning for these words. Let's move to the second suffix we have today. It is less, L-E-S-S, and it means without. without. Okay, let's see some examples here. Home is the word, the root, the base of the word, and less. So now when we add them together, we have homeless. Homeless without home. Homeless without any home, or doesn't have any home. Okay, so when we are talking about the homeless people, the people who live in the streets and they don't have a house or a home to stay in, so they are homeless. We should help the homeless people. Use useless. So this book is useless. Okay, I don't like this book. Okay, so without any uses or not useful, useless. Okay, hopeless. Hopeless without any hopes. When you don't have any hope doing something, so it's hopeless. Powerless when someone doesn't have any power, so he is powerless. But if he has a lot of power, he will be powerful. But now we are talking about less. So it means without any power. Okay? Fearless doesn't cause any fear without, okay, any fears. Okay? So fearless without any fears. Careless. When you don't give the right care for your homework, okay, so you are careless. When you are late doing your homework, so you are careless. But if you give much care to your homework, so you are careful. If you give the right care, much care to your homework. So now we are talking about careless. You don't give much care, okay? Sleepless. Okay, sometimes you can't sleep well and you spend a night, okay, and without any sleep. So you can say this night is sleepless. I didn't sleep enough. I didn't sleep well. It is sleepless. Hairless, without any hair. Okay. Endless. Okay. Endless, without the end. No end for this. Okay. Endless. Okay. Harmless, without any harms. Or this thing is safe. It's not dangerous. It's harmless. It doesn't cause any harms. It's not dangerous. It's safe, harmless, and helpless. When you aren't able to help or can't give help, so you are helpless. Okay, so now we studied these words and added the two suffixes we have today, full and less, to the words as you see. And now you can watch this video many times, and of course the videos you have in your Google Classroom task, you have many videos, you can watch all of them. Okay, and if you watch my video and those videos, you can go to the task. Let's see it now. It's very easy and very simple, but please watch my video on Facebook many times and listen carefully, and you can take notes. Please take notes while you are watching my video and write down the new words and the new meanings for these words, and let's see our task. It is multiple choice. You are going to read the meaning and then you can choose the right word for the meaning. For example, number one, full of pain or hurting too much. What is the right word from these words that gives this meaning? If we have here helpful, peaceful, harmful, hopeful, powerful, tasteful, fearful, successful, truthful, painful. So what is the right one for number one? Full of pain or hurting too much. Of course, it's painful. Full of pain. Painful. Okay, the right answer is painful. Let's go to number, okay, 5. Full of help. Full of help. So it's helpful. So the first section in the task or the quiz here for the suffix full. And when you finish the 10 sentences or the 10 questions, you are going to go to the, okay, the next section, the next section here. Now the next section, section 2, read the following and choose the right word ending with the suffix less. So now we are going to choose the words ending with less without any uses or not useful. So here it's helpless, harmless, hopeless, powerless, useless. Okay, it's useless without any uses. Not useful. It's not useful. Okay, so as you see now, you are going to read the meaning and choose the right word that matches this meaning. Okay, again, watch my video, watch the videos you have in your Google Classroom assignment. As you see here, you have 1 video, 2 videos, 3, 4, 5. 5 videos, and of course my video on Facebook group. Watch all these videos, take your notes, and then go to the task. And before I finish my video, I would like to say something. When you finish this task, and submit your answers, you will find a link. You will find a link. This link is an exercise you can enjoy doing. You can enjoy doing this exercise. Let's see it. When you finish submitting your answers, you will find the link. You can press on it and go to the link as you see now, and you can do more practice. Okay, how could you be so careful or careless as to lose your wallet? Enjoy doing this exercise after you submit your task here. Okay, waiting for your comments, waiting for your questions, and see you later. Goodbye.